కూర్చోండి. We will speak. మాట్లాడదాము. First deep. You don't shout. Do you understand? What is your voice?
You are not hearing.
This is not the way he behaves in the house. What are you thinking of yourself? And questioning the chair? No, you don't speak like that to the chair. What just? What just? What are you showing a finger? What are you showing a finger to? Whom are you showing a finger? Whom are you showing a finger to? Whom are you showing a finger? Don't you show your finger to anybody, and especially to the chair. Behave yourself. First behave yourself before you say something. ఏంది మాట్లాడిగా హద్దు ఉంటది. మెంబర్ కి చెప్పండి, శంకర్ యాదవ్ గారు ఫ్లోర్ లీడర్ అయి ఉండి ఒక మేయర్ తో అట్లా మాట్లాడుతున్న, ఒక చైర్ తో అట్లా వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? హి షోయింగ్ హిస్ ఫింగర్. He doesn't know how to behave. He doesn't even know how to behave. ఏం అరుస్తున్నారు? Are the members behaving like that? Any member behaving like that? What do you mean? You cool down first. You cool down. Don't you ever talk like that to the chair. I have to. Nala